Back pain is definitely not an easy problem to deal with, and to some it can seem like an impossible task to get rid of it. In this video I'll be going through some of the things you can do to help your back pain without having to take medication that may potentially cause side effects. I've also avoided including surgery in this list, as that can be even more daunting than taking pills for most people. The easiest way to start trying to get rid of pain is to avoid doing things that could harm your back furniture. For example, if you spend all day lifting heavy objects, then it's vital you use the correct method. I'm sure you've all seen how to lift in training videos, but haven't taken much notice. Don't let your back pain get worse than it has to because you're lifting wrong. There is some confusion about whether heat or ice is best to use for pain, and the answer is that both can be effective. Some therapists even applying ice, and then immediately after a heat pack to the injury to try and stimulate blood flow to the area. However, before doing this you should always talk it through with your physiotherapist so you don't make the problem worse. Stretching is one way that many people try to get rid of back pain, but unfortunately it can make things worse if you do it incorrectly. Make sure when stretching your back you do both sides evenly, and that you don't overstretch. If you feel any pain, then stop straight away. A good stretch should not be painful. If you've had back pain for a while, you're sure to have come across the use it or lose it principle. This says that if you sit around all day because your back is painful, then it will only get worse. You shouldn't do anything that puts you in a lot of pain, as this is the body's way of telling you something wrong, but if you lay in bed all day it may cause other problems. These are just some of the ways of helping pain without resorting to medication. You should always visit a physiotherapist for the best advice for getting rid of your back pain quickly, though, to avoid making the problem worse. He or she will be able to advise you on specific exercises for reducing back pain.